Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video I'm going to show you how can we draw the offset points in the total station. So I'm going to show all this process with the help of magnet field software. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let me open the magnet field software. So to show how can we draw the offset point in the total station. So for that, go to the map. So here we can see we have the 2 points A and B. Let me check the distance between A and B. So select this point as well as this B point and hold the stylus on the screen and click on inverse. So here we can see the horizontal distance between A and B point is 15 meters. And now on the line AB, I'm going to create the offset points with the help of cutting point and the offset distance. So for that, go to home and click on calculate and click on offsets and click on line, and here we need to give the start point as well as the end point. So here if it is not in end point, if it is in azimuth, select this to get end point. So we need to select the start point as well as the end point. So I'm going to select the start point A. So while selecting the start point from A to B, so in the direction A to B, so this portion will become the right side, right offset, and the upside portion will become the left offset, nothing but left side. So when we select the from point from B to A, then this upside portion will become the right side, nothing but right offset side, and this side portion will become the left offset, nothing but left side portion from B to A. Now I am going to start from A to B. So for that I am selecting the from point as A point and the end point I want to keep it as a B point. So after giving the start point and end point, so here we can see the 2D length, nothing but the distance between the A and B is showing here, that is a 15 meters. So after selecting the start point and end point, we need to click on next, and here in the station we need to give the cutting point. So here out of 15 meters I want to give the distance as 7 meters from A. So after that, hit the tick button, and here in the left offset or right offset. So if we want to give the right offset, it should be keep in right offset. So if you want to give the left offset, keep it as a left offset. So I want to give the right offset, and we need to give the offset distance in this tab. So I want to give the 7 meters and hit the tick button, and after that click on, and here we can give the cocoa point. So whatever the offset which you are created, and we need to give the name of that point. So here we need to give the name. So I want to give the C as a offset point name. After that, hit the tick button, and after that click on calculate. So here we can see the offset point is saved, and just close this and go to the map. So here we can see the offset point C has been created. So I want to create the left offset point. So for that, again go to home and click on calculate and click on offset and click on line, and again we need to select the start point A and end point B, and the total AB length is 15 meters, and hit the next, and we need to give the cutting point in the station. Though I want to give the cutting point as 6 meters, and hit the tick button, and now I want to give the left offset. So in this case we need to give the left offset. So we have gone through the right offset, and now I am giving the left offset. So like this, so it is showing the left offset. So I want to create the left offset distance is 7 meters, and after that I want to give the cocoa point name, nothing but the offset point name. I want to give the D point, and hit the tick button and click on calculate. So here we can see the offset point has been saved, and just close and go to map. So here we can see the offset point D has been created. So this is how we can able to create the offset points. So on the AB, so if you want to create the cutting point of this D offset on the line AB, for that, go to home and click on calculate and click on inverse and click on point to line. So here in the point we need to select this D point. So after that we need to select the start point and end point. The start point is our A point and end point is this B point. So in the direction of AB line with offset point D, we are going to find out the cutting point. So here in the COGO point we need to give the name, that is a cutting point name. So I want to give the E point and hit the tick button, and after that click on calculate. So here go to map to see the result. So here we can see in the direction of AB and offset point D, we have created the cutting point with the name of A. So in order to save this E point, hit the save button. So here we can see the point E has been saved. So go to map. So here we can see in the direction of AB with offset point, we have created this E point. In the same manner, in the direction of AB, and now in this case C as an offset point, we are going to create the cutting point on the line AB. So for that, go to calculate again and click on inverse and click on point to line, and now in this case the point will be the C point. This is the offset point, and the start point is A point and end point is the B point. And I want to give the name of the COGO point with the name of F and hit the tick button, and after that click on calculate and go to map to see the result. So here we can see in the line AB with offset point C, we have created the cutting point with the name of F. In order to save this cutting point, go to result and hit the save button. So go to map. So here we can see we have created the cutting point. So this is how we can able to create the offset point as well as the cutting points in the total station. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get latest notification. Thank you so much. Love you all. Jai Hind.